What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Level 2 Trading Warfare by JU. This DVD has a runtime of 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it is from the Trade Secrets Trader Library. This presentation is from the Online Trading Expo. We're going to go over all the notes I have taken while watching this DVD, my thoughts, what I liked and what I disliked. So we got a lot to go over. So kick back, relax, hit that subscribe button, join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders, and let's jump into it, everybody. To kick things off, I got this DVD as a 2-pack. I purchased it on eBay for $30. I already did a review on the first DVD. I will leave a link to that video in this video description. Now getting into Level 2 Trading Warfare. Here is a picture of JU, the presenter on the DVD. And after watching this DVD, I've tried locating him on the internet, and I looked up to see if he posted any videos on YouTube or had a YouTube channel. I really couldn't find much on JU. He has posted videos, but not many, and he hasn't made a video post in years. I will leave a link to what I find on YouTube about JU in this video description, so you all could check him out as well. You can find him at undergroundtrader.com, and he also has a YouTube channel, The Underground Trader. And then if you type in JU in the search results, you'll have a bunch of videos that other people have posted about JU. So if you're interested in his trading strategies and how he trades, I would recommend going and watching a lot of these videos. And there's a few videos as well where he's given presentations. You could see a couple right here. And like I've mentioned, this DVD is from the Trader Library. And this is the website here. On this website, they're selling this DVD for $65. There's one person that did a review on it. They gave it 4 out of 5 stars. And this is what they said. This DVD is pretty advanced, although it is somewhat dated, about 2000. Still refers to stock prices in fractions. You won't find much else out there on Level 2 trading. JU has a sophisticated trading technique which appears to be focused mostly on day traders. You need some sophisticated trading software to use his techniques. I use Fidelity Active Trader Pro, and I don't think it has some of the screens necessary. Nonetheless, JU has an interesting way of viewing volatility. I picked up a few points on how to look at the market. His presentation is clear and focused, and the video, not HD, is good, but be prepared to pay close attention. This is not a simple introductory tutorial. So what do you think of when you see a cover like this, Level 2 Trading Warfare? What do you think of? You're thinking this DVD is going to contain information about Level 2 and how to trade Level 2 and strategies with Level 2. I was really disappointed. That's not the case with this DVD. The most time he dedicated to Level 2 in this DVD, an hour and a half, was probably around 10 minutes. The rest of this DVD was focused around his trading strategy and how he views the market. I'm going to go over and talk about his trading strategy and everything he went over in this DVD from the notes I've taken. To kick things off in this DVD, he points out why most day traders fail. Lack of focus, lack of discipline, and lack of methods. Jumping from stock to stock, not paying attention to detail. Having a short attention span, you have to focus and know the personality of the stocks you like to trade. Then he goes into what makes the markets move. News is a laggard indicator. Laggard, slower than desired or expected. The S&P 500 futures versus the S&P 500 index. Program trading leapfrog effect. Institutional activity. Sectors move together from tier 1 down. Markets move in tiers, starting with the futures, the S&P 500 futures, then to the S&P 500 index, then to the sectors, and then to stocks. JU says there are two types of traders, day traders and swing traders. Since JU only trades NASDAQ stocks, he uses the NASDAQ 100 futures as his leading indicator. Then he jumps right into the NASDAQ level 2. Pay attention to what exchange you are trading. Each exchange trades differently. The NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, American Stock Exchange. JU does a lot of quotes throughout this DVD from the book The Art of War. If you do not have a copy, I have my own copy here. I would say it is most definitely a recommended read. It is an in-depth, deep read, and it's about a Chinese general, Sun Tzu. Strategic warfare. Now, when you go to Wall Street, a lot of businessmen read the book, The Art of War. Since business is very cutthroat and competitive, you're going to have tactics to fight a lot of your battles, if not all of your battles. Again, within this review, maybe I'll do a review on the book, The Art of War. Leave a comment down below if you would like me to. But this is a very great book, and I highly recommend it. If you're interested in the stock market, business, being strategic, it is, again, like I've said, a very, very deep read. You're going to have to study this book. And here is a quote from the book, The Art of War. People should not be unfamiliar with strategy. Those who understand it will survive. Those who do not understand it will perish. He quotes a lot, like I said, in this DVD from the book The Art of War. One of the quotes that he says in this DVD, all warfare is about deception. Hence, when able to attack, we must seem unable. When using our forces, we must seem inactive. When we are near, we must make the enemy believe we are far away. When far away, we must make him believe we are near. If your opponent is choleric temper, seek to irritate him. Pretend to be weak that he may grow arrogant. Sun Tzu. A lot of great quotes in this book. I just cannot recommend it enough. Jumping back to the DVD, JU's talking about the level 2. And this is all he has to say about the level 2. Things to watch out for on the NASDAQ level 2. Non-refresh size. When you see an ECN, a market maker, show a size of 100 on the level 2, and the tape shows order after order of 100, this could be dangerous because the market maker is hiding his size. He is displaying the minimum lot size, but not revealing his actual size. These are non-refresh sizes. You can do this with some trading platforms like DAS Trader. This is DAS Trader right here. This little display right here, that's where you can hide your order. You put in your shares that you want to buy right here. Let's say you want to buy 10,000 shares, but you don't want to show that on the level 2, so you display 100. That's how traders hide their size on the level 2. Pay attention to stuff like that on the level 2. Patterns that you see on the level 2, pay attention for that, because the market maker does not want to be seen. And then that's all he says about NASDAQ level 2. From there on out, the rest of the DVD, he talks about his trading style, his techniques, patterns he likes to look out for, and indicators. Here's a picture of his trading setup. He likes to use bar charts, and this DVD was filmed in the early 2000s, so it is dated. And like I said, he likes to use bar charts, but he refers to bar charts as the noodles. That's what he likes to call them. So whenever he refers to a chart, he says, let's take a look at the noodles. What are the noodles saying? He likes to use the trading indicator stochastics along with the 5 moving average and the 15 moving average. So let's jump into real quick, what is the stochastics oscillator? A stochastic oscillator is a momentum indicator comparing a particular closing price of a security to a range of its prices over a certain period of time. The sensitivity of the oscillator to market movements is reducible by adjusting that time period or by taking a moving average of the result. It is used to generate overbought and oversold trading signals utilizing a 0 to 100 bounded range of values. This is a picture of a stock chart right here. This bottom part with all the waves, this is your oscillator. It's got 2 bands from a range from the bottom 0 and the top 100. He explains in depth in this DVD what he likes to look for. He likes to look for the bands on the oscillators to touch 0, and he likes to adjust the oscillator to a 510. He'll also plot out, like I've said, the 5-day moving average and the 15-day moving average on his intraday charts. The intraday charts that he likes to use is the 1-minute chart, the 3-minute chart. Throughout the DVD, he walks through a couple charts with his trading strategy and takes you through step by step on what he likes to look for and how he trades stocks. About halfway through this DVD, I started to get disappointed because then I've realized that this isn't about NASDAQ level 2 and that it's just a trader showing another trading strategy. That really killed it for me. Again, if you're interested to see how he trades and his strategies, go to the links in this video. I will leave links to videos from his YouTube channels and videos if you are all interested. The last 20 minutes of this DVD, he jumps into risk and how to protect yourself, paper trading and practicing until you get comfortable trading. Trading should be boring and being disciplined on knowing when to trade. He talks about a consistency rate of 70%. Once you have achieved 70% consistency rate with your trading strategy, then increase your share size by 100. Then when you get comfortable with that 100 shares, move up another 100 shares. I didn't enjoy this DVD as much as the first one. I honestly felt like I got robbed. There was some cool info in this DVD. The first 20 minutes was great. A lot of cool info, and then it immediately jumped into how he likes to trade. How he likes to trade with the NASDAQ futures as his leading indicator, using the stochastics indicator. Very little info on level 2. Out of 5 stars, I give this a 1.8. If it was titled Stochastics and Oscillators, Trading Strategies, I would have given it a higher rating because that was the content that was in this DVD. If you're interested in the first DVD that I reviewed in this 2-pack, again, I will leave a link in this video description so you guys can check that one out. I much more enjoyed that first DVD than this DVD. Towards the end of it, I started getting, I would say, sleepy. It was boring me to death because for me as a trader, I'm not interested in stochastics and putting moving averages on my intraday charts. Every trader has their own way of trading and the strategies that they like to use. It's just everything that was in this DVD didn't relate to me. Sure, there was a couple things that was knowledgeable in this DVD, but is it worth the money? Is it worth picking up? That depends on you. If you're into stochastics and learning new trading strategies, I would say go ahead. I'm sure you can find another copy on eBay for a lot cheaper than what they're advertising on the website for $65. I pretty much paid $15 for this, but I'm glad I got another DVD with it as well that I enjoyed a lot more. If you guys think I should pick up more DVDs in this trader library, leave comments down below. If there's any products or DVDs that you want me to review, leave them in the comments down below. Give me your guys' feedback. I love hearing back from all of you, what you have to say and your opinions. What are things you like? What are things you don't like about the stock market? Products that you've tried and used that helped you or didn't help you. Leave them in the comments down below. Let us all learn from each other. That's what I want this channel to be about. That's going to wrap it up for this one, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this review. Be sure to hit that like button and smack that subscribe button and join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?